channel. My name is Deanna Monet. If this is your first time here, then welcome. And if you're back to see me, then hey, thank you so much for coming back. So today I do have another wig review for you guys, and this video is brought to you by Beauty Forever Hair. Thank you so much, Beauty Forever Hair, for sponsoring today's video. So here is the package that they sent me. I'm just going to unbox it with you all. They have some like really festive goodies in here. We got a mask. We got a wig cap. We have a couple of different headband options. We have this black and white headband that says best I don't even know what this says, y'all. But we got that one. And then we have the wig here. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful like these waves are. Oh my goodness, I cannot. So this is a T-part wig. Basically, it just means you have a lace part right here, as you can see. And then this is what the inside looks like. It isn't a frontal or anything. If you want to shift the part, you have to literally like shift the whole wig, whatever kind of way you want to wear it. Has two combs here. It has one comb here and adjustable straps. And she is really, really cute. I just love these waves. So I did go ahead and wash the hair just so you could see the texture of the hair in its natural state. So here it is, like wet right after I washed her. And then I just set her out for a few days, let her air dry, and this is how the hair is looking now. So now I'm just going to put on my wig grip so I don't get any sliding or anything like that. And then I'm going to attempt to go in and make baby hairs for this wig. Y'all, don't come for me. Don't come for me. This is not my usual thing. I was just plucking at random. I had no rhyme or reason. I was just like, okay, let me pull out some of these hairs. You know, I tried to make it work. I tried to make it do what it do. And this is what we came up with. So if you're a beginner at plucking units like I am, then watch with me, learn with me, enjoy. So yeah, I'm just gonna style her and then I will be back to chat with you in a little bit. welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So we are all finished styling this hair from Beauty Forever, and this is the final look. How are you feeling it? How are you feeling it? I'm feeling it. I am feeling it. I'm feeling it so much that I'm not even going to change my clothes for this one. I'm in my satin robe. Okay, feeling all luxurious. This is going to be called a satin slay. Satin slay. So if you made it to this point of the video, go ahead and drop down satin slay in the comment section, because that's what we are giving today. Okay, that's what I am bringing you. You know what though? I am going to go ahead and put on some eyelashes for this satin slay, so I'm going to be right back. Ooh, I think the lashes were the perfect touch we needed. So, yeah. Okay, so now we can really continue this satin slay featuring Beauty Forever hair. Let's get into it. So you saw me go in and try to customize the front a little bit with the little, you know, the little plucking, just a little bit, because I really don't know what I be doing. And then I just cut a little baby hairs, just a little bit, because once again, I really don't know what I be doing, okay? I just be trying to finesse for the camera. That's it. I'm happy with it. I'm good with it. I'm happy with it. You know, I tried to just give you a little more. I just tried to get a little bit more. I tried to do a bit more for you this time. For my girls who like to do a little more, who like a few options, this one is for you, okay? Because y'all know I'm the plop and go queen, okay? Synthetic hair, human hair, whatever. I'll plop and I'll go. But I put a little bit more into this one, and I like it. I really like it. I'm also feeling this hairline, okay? Scalp, sis, I'm serving. Scalp. Okay? So I decided to do a little challenge. I was like, I wonder how only 3 flexi rods would look on each side. Only 3. Only 3. 6 total. So this was the size I used. The purple flexi rods, they're kind of fat. I don't know the exact inches or anything. But as you can see, I just went in with some mousse. I flexi rodded the hair as if I was wand curling it. And I got these really pretty juicy curls. Like, really pretty. This may be my new thing. Like, the last time I flexi rodded hair, I think I had like 10, 12, 13, 14 flexi rods all over the head. But, yeah, guys, 6. Boom, that's it. And that got me this look. So super, super easy if you don't like to curl like me. I'm not getting a lot of shedding from this wig. I'm not getting a lot of tangling from this wig. The hair feels really, really good. I just can run my hands through her. I got these wonderful bouncy curls, and as you can see, you tug on them and they just bounce right back. So I'm really, really happy with this unit. I do believe I have this unit in 24 inches. It is the body wave texture, and I will include the exact price of it on the screen because I don't have that information on me right now, but I will include the exact specs on the screen or in the description box below if you want to check her out, because she's cute. Let me go ahead and show you what this hair is looking like from all angles. I'm very happy with the density of this unit, the luster of her. I mean, you pretty much get no cons from me. You know, I keep it real. I try to keep it very honest with you on what I think of these units, and I really have no cons about this wig. I'm just really feeling these waves like, ooh, ooh, ooh. So please don't forget to like this video. Leave me a comment below on how you're feeling this unit. Don't forget to include #SatinSlay. Okay. I would once again like to thank Beauty Forever Hair for sending over this unit for me to review. I really do like her, so thank you so much. Shout out to you for making it to the end of this video. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell right next to it so you are always notified when I post. Follow me over on Instagram. My Instagram is Deanna_Monet. I will put it right here on the screen for you. And I really do hope you enjoyed this video. I thank you so much for watching, for supporting my channel, and rocking with me. I will catch you in the next one.